Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today it is a Sunday. It is absolutely beautiful out. Like the sun is shining, it's like 70 degrees. It's absolutely beautiful, but it is Memorial Day weekend and tomorrow is gonna be like 90 degrees. So I'm getting all of my stuff done today so I can go to the beach and enjoy myself tomorrow. So we are getting it all done today. I made a list. I haven't filmed one of these videos in a while, so I figured I had a lot to do. I want to get it all done. Might as well film it, give you guys some cleaning motivation, some meal prep motivation, some Weight Watchers motivation, and hold me accountable too, because I need to get a lot done in a very short amount of time. We got started early this morning. It is almost 9 o'clock. It's like 8:50. And we've already had my sheets in the washing machine washing. I have to go change those over. Layton and I made muffins, and we are cleaning up. We are doing all of the stuff, so cute girl. So we are, let me share my list with you, and then I made a thumbnail and did all that stuff this morning, and I'm posting a video. I'm just waiting for it to finish processing. It should be done processing soon. So I am going to share with you my list, and then we are going to get started. Where are you? Macy, you gonna supervise? Are you supervising? Huh? All right, so this is our list. I have to post my video. We are washing my sheets. I'm gonna do the kids' sheets tomorrow. We need to do some meal prep. We are going to dust, vacuum, tidy the bathrooms. We need to mop, and there's also a load of laundry in the dryer that I need to get as well. So let's get started. These are the muffins that Layton and I made today. We made mini muffins and big muffins, and I did try one. They are delicious. So I just have my new little cake stand here, and we just leave them on the counter, and the kids will come and eat those. But so cute and delicious. All right, I figured before I do any of the cleaning, I am going to meal prep. So I did take out some chicken that I'm just gonna cook tonight with some potatoes, some sweet potatoes and carrots and broccoli. But I am doing meal prep for a breakfast specifically this morning. So we're going to make two things. We're gonna make breakfast sandwiches / burritos, and then we are going to make Weight Watchers like French toast. So I'm using this 40 calorie a piece bread. This bread is so good. I like all of the like low calorie bread, but I do like the Italian bread. It's delicious. So, and it's thicker too, so it makes really, really, really good French toast. So I have not eaten breakfast yet aside from one of those little baby muffins. So we're gonna have this for breakfast this morning. And then I'm also gonna meal prep some breakfast sandwiches for Kev. So I'm just gonna use these flour tortillas that I have on hand and use these up. I'm not sure. I mean, you could totally use these for meal prep for yourself and Weight Watchers. Let me see how many points they are. I don't think they're crazy points. Let's see. No, they're 4 points. So if you just did like eggs, like a piece of cheese, it's a 5 point breakfast sandwich. So that's great for him. But I am going to be using these for my breakfast sandwiches, and these are only 2 points. So it'll be a 3 point breakfast sandwich for me. So that is what we are going to do. I'm going to do egg whites just because I prefer egg whites and cheese. So we're going to get that mixed up, and then we are going to make our French toast as well. Look how good this looks. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells amazing. I did 4 eggs, a tiny splash of milk, and then cinnamon. And then I'm just cooking it all on the griddle. I'll probably do 3 pieces per container, and then I mix it up and do a bunch of fruit. So, and I also add a tiny bit of, I think 1 teaspoon of maple syrup is 1 point. You can get like the sugar-free one. I think it's 0 points, but I like the real maple syrup. It's a little, I feel like, I don't know, it's a little bit better. So a little bit better for you because it's the real thing. So that is how this is turning out. I am literally so excited to eat my breakfast. So good. Then over here, we just have our eggs cooking. I cook them nice and slow, and I leave them kind of in like bigger pieces because I want them to fit inside of our wraps and our English muffins. I ended up doing eggs mixed with egg whites because I was just really lazy, and I didn't buy egg whites because we still have a ton of eggs. So I just was like emptying out the yolk or separating the yolk, and I got lazy. So I added about 4 eggs in with about 8 egg whites. This is my 4-point breakfast. So this is the meal prep. I will add obviously the strawberries the day of, but now that is cooked, and again that is 3 points because it's 1 point per slice, but I did put a little maple syrup and a tiny bit of powdered sugar, but the powdered sugar I only did 1 teaspoon, and that is 0 points. So that is my breakfast. I'm so excited to eat and then get finished on this to-do list. All right, so I took the tortillas and I added the egg. I added some of this shredded cheese because it's just a little bit easier in the burritos, and then in the English muffins I'm going to use a slice of this cheese. But I sprayed a little bit of avocado oil on it, and I'm going to put them in the air fryer, and we're just going to cook them for like 5 minutes just to get them browned up and toasted. All right, so those are all done. We have breakfast sandwiches for the week, and I just let them cool down a little bit, and then I just wrap them up in foil and put them in the refrigerator. You can also put them in the freezer as well. So they're all cooled down. I'm gonna wrap them up, do these dishes, start the dishwasher, and what is next on my to-do list? So the sheets are in the dryer. We're gonna dust, vacuum, tidy the bathrooms, mop, and fold that laundry. We're not doing too bad. It's just 10 o'clock. All right, kitchen's clean. We're gonna go wipe down the bathroom. I already like deep cleaned them and cleaned the showers and stuff the other day, but they need to get wiped down because I'm sure, especially the kids' bathroom, is a mess. Always. Always, always, always. They're so gross. All right, time to scrub out this nasty sink.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. Time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep.
All right, last two things on my list is to make the bed. I already mopped. Whoops. Already mopped, and to do the laundry. I also took all of like the little area rugs, like this one and the one by the back door and one by the front door and the bathroom rugs and all of that, and I put those in the washing machine and like the mop head that I used on a sanitation cycle. So, and then I will air dry all those rugs. It is only just like 11:45. Next and last thing, like I said, put the sheets on the bed, fold the laundry, and put it away, and I am done for the day. I'm tired and I'm hot. It's like a workout doing all that cleaning. It's like power cleaning. So I'm gonna get to those last two things done, and then I plan on spending the rest of my afternoon. I also set up the deck and put a couple of the pillow cushions fell, but look how pretty it is out here. We have the cushions all out, all that. So pretty. This is where I will be spending the rest of my afternoon.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Get down now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Get down now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Get down now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Get down now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it
wait until I sweat the even messier bun. We are done. Everything is checked off the list. Actually, the dishwasher. I ran the dishwasher. That's okay. They have actually their iPads away like forever ago. They've used them like here and there a little bit, but they took them away like from video games and all that stuff. All they've been doing is playing Legos and all the stuff that 8-year-olds and 6-year-olds should be doing. That is all they've been doing for like weeks now, and it makes me so happy. But all right, so made the bed and laundry. So we are done. We are done with this cleaning video. We are done meal prepping. The house looks great. I have to put away like the vacuum and stuff, but everything is like nice and neat and tidy. The rooms are clean. The bathrooms are clean. Everything is clean, just the way I like it, for about 5 minutes until, you know, the kids come in and shit up. But that's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been doing like a ton of Weight Watchers stuff on my channel the past couple of weeks because that's what I've been doing. So I want to get into like, you know, my normal stuff as well, but I've been sharing a lot of like what I eat in a days and all that. I have one coming up this week. I just posted a meal prep with all like the points included and all of that today actually, and I have a Weight Watchers grocery haul and what I eat in a day coming up on Tuesday, I think. And then Tuesday or Wednesday, I haven't decided. And then this video will go up at the end of the week, and then who knows what we'll decide to film and do. I need to film a declutter. Like I need to go around my house, walk around with like a trash bag and a donation bin and declutter a ton of stuff in each room. Like the basement, everywhere just needs decluttering. So that is on the agenda because we take, you know, fruit snack boxes and we have attachments to them. I don't know why kids are like that. I'm like, you have a million toys and you have sentimental attachment to a fruit snack box. I don't know, but I'm gonna go make the kids lunch. They want a snack plate, which they'll do like cheese, crackers, fruit, cucumbers, and all of that kind of stuff. And it's so good. I love doing that. It's such a nice, like, light lunch because like I'm still full from breakfast. So I like to have that, and it's just like very refreshing on like hot days. So anyway, I digress on all of that, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.